So, hey everyone, welcome to the QT learning series. In day 10, we are going to see the Q check boxes. So, first, let's look what are check boxes. Okay, so if I write check box, so this you can see this is a square and you can like tick on it. So, this is a Q check, this is a checkbox basically. So, Qt provides us a class with Q check boxes. So, let's create a project. I'm going to select Qt widget application and I'm just gonna change the location here. So my location will be okay. Okay, I don't can find where's the okay, here is it. So I'm gonna select it open and okay, I'm just gonna name it Q checkbox. Okay, I mistyped. So now I can enter and you can, as we have already discussed about the build system. So Qt provides us with three build systems, QMake, CMake and QBS. So I'm going to select the CMake and I'm going to hit next. And here I'm going to select Q widgets and next. And here, as you can see, my compilers have been changed as I have upgraded to the Linux. I'll be uploading a video soon how to set up the Qt in Linux. I'm gonna select the desktop 64 GCC. I'm gonna hit next, finish. So here you can see my project has been built, and now in the header file, I'm just gonna include Q checkbox. Okay, and in the Qt widget.cpp. Now here we are going to do some work. Okay, here I'm gonna add a class checkbox and I'm gonna give it the object name. As you can see, this is a pointer allocated memory. So new QCheckBox and just gonna leave it as it is. And now I'm gonna set some text. So QCheck one. So I'm just gonna name it one and I'm gonna set the text to Python. Okay. So similarly, we can do some copy pasting. I love the copy paste, like it saves a lot of efforts. I'm just gonna change the object name and name it 3 and 3. Okay. Um, gonna just in the header file, I'm just gonna include QBox layout and I'm gonna save it. And here I'm just gonna create a QV. Okay, there's some mistyping. Let me just rectify it quickly. So I'm just here gonna create a QBox layout object, QBox. As you can remember from the previous tutorials, these are the vertical boxes, like the vertical layout. And I'm gonna name now, as you can see, Q checkboxes are widgets. So I'm gonna add widget check check one. Now VBox add widget check two. No, and I'm just gonna copy it so it saves my efforts a little. Okay, and by that we can add some things. So here you can see like the widgets has been added here. So I'm just gonna run it. It's building. So wait a second. Okay, it's like it's giving me a black screen. Okay, issues. There are some incomplete. Okay, file not found. I'm just gonna give clean it a little bit and give it a quick rebuild. Okay, this is a black screen. Okay, just let me do some things. Um, terminal external configure environment interface system keyboard external. Okay, just okay. We can do one thing. Um, UI set back. Okay, how do we change the background? So for that, we just have to do some things. For the background, we have to change the style sheet, and for that, I'm just gonna have to. And on here, I can give the background color to white. Run it. You can see the background color has been white, but text is not showing. Okay, so for that, we have to do some things. So for just gonna change the font. Okay, okay. Got the where we are getting some errors. It's sometimes you just forget some things like I have to give the object name. Like you can okay, just let me change the font. Check one set font font, font. I'm gonna name give the times and size of 14 and check one, set font, color. Okay, just let me show you one trick how we can use the Google also. Like I'm using Brave and I'm saying Google. So how to change color QT of text. Okay. So Q label we can give the name color as it is. Okay. I'm just gonna define a property here, black. Let me just try it. See if with me nothing. It's like gives me nothing exactly. So for that we have to change the color of the text. So to change the color of the text we have to do some things. Okay. What do we can do to change the color of the text? So for change the color, I guess we have to do not this, set style sheet, and I'm just gonna give color black. Let me see. Okay, here you can see like this is okay. Now we are on the right track. Just let me copy paste first, like it's the important thing to do. And I'm just gonna change this to Java and this to, let's try something else. Golang. Now run it. So here you can see the properties are not been changed as I have not changed the object name. Okay, I've changed the object name. Let's see. Here you can see Python, Java, Golang, right? So let's change some properties like let's see in QHbox also. QHbox, and here I'm just gonna change it to Hbox, 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 and here I'm gonna define the object so you can see. Okay, here you can see like these are three, and next we are going to do some things. So for that I'm just gonna add some things here, include to label. I'm just gonna save it, jump to the widget.cpp, and just I have to create some slots, I guess. Yeah, so I'm just gonna hit the widgets, and I'm gonna create some signals. So for okay, just do some. I'm just gonna do some things. And I'm just gonna name it a value. Just gonna give some condition. Check one.